Now let's talk about students who maybe have a little bit of difficulty with vision, or they may be gamers, or they may need to increase focus. And a tool that we have for those type students is called Enlarge Text. And the way it works is you turn it on, then you highlight some information, and you click Listen. We're going to see it at the bottom of the screen in enlarged font.
Knowing where to find learner support is
As you can see, it is playing, and one of the things is it's larger. I can make it larger than this, but I want you to pay attention to how quickly it appears to be reading. Now, the reading speed is staying the same, but it appears that it is moving faster because the highlighted word is larger.
essential to your success. Our independence makes us feel that we should.
Okay, I stopped it. It is still turned on up here. We do have to go back and turn it off. Now, that's great for the students that need to increase their focus because their eye is pulled to it. It's great for gamers because it looks like it's moving fast. It's great for students who have lower vision. Other tools that we have that help with distracted readers, whether that be because they might have ADD, they might have ADHD, they might have some cognitive learning difficulties. Those tools are the page mask, and we'll look at that. As you see, it is a mask. It's like a sheet of paper with a hole cut in it. You can make it larger or smaller. You can use it like a note card with the bottom edge to stay on line. It's great for those students that are having that focus. Another tool we have when we're on a document is the reading ruler. And when I turn it on, it is like a note card. You can make it larger or smaller. And when you're in Doc Reader, that's like sheets of paper. So you can move the reading ruler, or you can move the paper behind it by moving on your mouse. The same thing is true for the page mask. When you're in the Doc Reader, you can move the paper instead of the mask. Now those are those three tools.